Going now to page 39. All right, so I'm going to talk to you now about what Mr. Greg McMichael says happens next. I'm going to direct your attention to lines 2 through 7 of page 39.
Okay.
All right, so once again, he's in the back of the truck with his weapon. What does he say he's doing?
He says that he's aiming.
Did he shoot?
No, ma'am.
And after he heard the shots were fired, how many shots did he say were fired?
He mentions 2.
And what did he do next?
He gets out of the truck. He stated that he had a hip replacement so he doesn't jump anywhere, that he eased himself out of the truck.
All right. So this is a man with a hip replacement, and so he had to ease himself out of the truck. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And at this point in time, did he indicate that he went and checked Mr. Arbery for a weapon?
Yes, ma'am.
Now directing your attention to page 41. Did Mr. McMichael indicate whether he had his cell phone with him?
He did not.
All right.
He stated he did not.
All right. But he did call 911.
Yes, ma'am.
Whose phone did he have to use?
He used Travis McMichael's phone.
So specifically then directing your attention to page 42. At this point in the interview, did you really start to talk to him about what was his intent with Mr. Arbery should he have actually stopped?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And what was his intent?
He said to hold on, to hold him.
To hold him.
Yes, ma'am.
Did he use the word arrest?
No, ma'am.
Did he tell you what he was going to be arrested for?
No, ma'am.
Did he use the word citizen's arrest?
No, ma'am.
Did he use the word detain?
No, ma'am.
So he's holding him. Did he tell you what he was going to hold him for?
He was going to contact the county police.
Okay, and do what?
He was going to hold him for county police so that he could either be arrested or identified.
All right, I'm going to back you up for a minute. Specifically, line 24 through 25. I'm going to actually take you up to line 21. I want you to read that quote to the jury.
He says, and I quote, "Yeah, to hold him till you know and call county police to." I said, "Okay." He continues to come and, check him out.
Check him out?
Yes,
Come
ma'am.
and check him out? That's what he says?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So he's calling to have the county police come and check him out. And then what does he say?
Continuing quote, there was no doubt in my mind as to who this guy was, none, having seen the videos prior.
All right, so having seen the videos, he's making this identification of this man.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, what else is he then talking to you about? The next thing that he's trying to explain his intent to you about?
I'll continue the quote from there. The thing that was not doubtful, but was certainly a driving factor in my mind, was that my son had a missing pistol, and I'm pretty certain this guy, well, I don't know for a fact, and I have no reason to think that he did it, other than the fact that this guy has been this guy's been doing this crap over and over and over.
Okay, so he's talking about his son, Travis McMichael, has a missing pistol.
Yes, ma'am.
And then he's trying to tell you, I'm pretty certain this guy, but I don't know for a fact that he's the one who stole it.
Yes, ma'am.
That's what he's trying to tell you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But he doesn't have any evidence to present to you that Mr. Arbery is the one who stole Travis McMichael's handgun.
Correct.
That's a mischaracterization. He's providing statements to the officer about it.
Let's just let the transcript speak for itself. It's a statement.
Did he say, I don't know for a fact?
Yes, ma'am.
Did they then say, I have no reason to think that he did it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Other than the fact that he's been doing this crap over and over and over.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In fact, when he goes down to lines 17 through 21, What does he say about Travis McMichael's stolen handgun at that point?
He says, and quoting, "Yeah, I had never seen this guy personally before and didn't see anybody go to the truck that day and take his weapon."
Okay. So going to the truck and taking the weapon, is that Travis McMichael's handgun?
Yes, ma'am.